Hello, children. Welcome to your EVS class. Today, we are going to start with chapter number 9 Season Watch. It is hot on some days while others are cold. It rains heavily on some while it is cloudy, windy on other days. So, what do you understand from this? Weather does not remain constant. It keeps on changing from day to day. We have 5 seasons: summer, winter, autumn, spring, and rainy season. We wear different clothes and eat different food products in different weather. Summer. Summer is one of the 5 seasons. It is very hot and sunny in summers. The sun shines brightly. In India, April, May, and June are extremely hot months. We wear light color cotton clothes in summers as they absorb sweat and keep us cool. So, people mostly stay indoors and enjoy having juices, fruits, salad. To beat the heat, we should eat fresh fruits and vegetables like cucumber, watermelon, mango, lychee, spinach, gourd, etc. We feel very thirsty in summer, so we should drink plenty of water and healthy homemade drinks such as sharbat, juice. All these things help us to stay cool. We use fans, coolers, and air conditioning to stay cool. Children love to take long bath or go for swim. Summer is a time when children have long vacation from school and they love to go to hills for holidays. Winters. Some days of the year are extremely cold. Winter is one of the 5 seasons when the days are short and nights are long. The sun is not very bright, and we have to wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. In some places, it snows heavily during winters. Many animals go into deep sleep during this season. However, winters However, winters. In winters, what happens, children? We wear woolen clothes to keep ourselves warm. Many animals go into deep sleep. In India, it is not as cold as it is in European countries. In winters, people enjoy basking in sun and can work for long hours without getting tired. There are many activities that children enjoy during this season, such as sledging, making snowman, and ice skating. Next season is rainy season. So, children, rainy season is also known as monsoon in India. It provides respite from the severe heat. It begins usually at the end of June and lasts till August. During rainy season, the sky is generally cast with dark clouds and sometimes sun is not seen for days. Sometimes there is thunder and lightning too. We sometimes get to see rainbow in the sky. So when do we see rainbow? In rainy season. If it rains continuously for days, the rivers and canals overflow their banks. After a heavy rainfall, the roads are full of water and children come out to sail paper boats in rainy season is boon for farmers as they store rainwater for future use. Plant and trees get covered with new leaves. We should collect rainwater for future use, especially in areas which receive less rainfall. People wear raincoat, gumboots, etc. Before stepping out in the rain, they use umbrella to keep themselves dry. Diseases such as malaria, dysentery, typhoid, diarrhea, and dengue spread during this season. Next season is the autumn season. Autumn season marks the transition from summer to winter. The weather begins to get colder and the leaves change their color from green to red, orange and yellow to brown and begin to fall. This is why autumn is also called fall. During autumn, the days become shorter and animals like bear begin preparing for winters by eating more to put on body weight and survive through the cold winter. Some animals such as squirrel start storing food so that they have enough supplies to last through the harsh weather. In India, it is warm and dry during autumn. And the last season is spring season. Spring is the season when days become longer and weather gets warmer. It is neither that hot nor that cold. In India, it begins in the middle of February and lasts till middle of April. During spring, trees, plants, and flowers begin to grow everywhere, and birds chirp happily. The weather is beautiful, and animals begin to shed their fur, and birds lay egg. Bees move from one flower to another, collecting nectar. We also we can also see colorful butterflies. The festival of color, Holi, is also during spring. Easter also comes in spring season. So let's recap. The weather keeps changing every day. There are 5 seasons: summer, winter, rainy, autumn, and spring. It is extremely hot in the month of April, May, and June. People wear light colored cotton clothes and enjoy fresh and juicy fruits like watermelon, muskmelon, etc. during summers. In winters, it is extremely cold and people wear woolen clothes to keep themselves warm. Autumn marks transition from summer to winter and leaves change color from green to brown and fall off. Spring is the season when days become longer and weather gets warmer. So I hope children you have understood about the seasons. Keep studying and keep enjoying. Bye all of you.